Hi there and welcome to this video. Today I want to talk about the different areas of law that exist. Now I can appreciate to the normal person that it's very difficult to understand which area of law that their particular legal issue falls into. So without actually knowing what area of law you've got a problem in, it's hard to actually understand who you need to talk to about the problem and where you should go to get help. So I wanted to give a quick introduction today to give you a very brief understanding of this so you can understand it yourself. So law can basically be broken up into two very main topics. The first one is criminal law, and that's the one that I think that most people are probably aware about when they think about law, because this usually stems from TV programs, movies, where if someone has a legal issue, usually they go to prison or there's a courtroom issue with murders, and it's just the way that Hollywood sells films. It's all about the biggest impact crimes, I suppose. So that's the one that I think most people would actually consider. It considers things like burglary, murder, rape, violence, a whole category of horrible crimes. If you're the victim of one of those type of crimes, you should probably call the police. Any criminal law really falls under the police's category, so it's important you first of all need to talk to them and then progress from there. If it's something that you can take, you can charge someone for, then you would need to get a lawyer and help prosecute the actual person that's done it. The second area of law is civil law. Now this one doesn't really feature that much on TV programs or in the films. I say as much, there are some films out there, like Liar Liar for example, and a variety of different things on the screen you'll see, but it's not as common via a TV film platform, I suppose. So the definition of civil law is it's the process of dealing with lawsuits and disputes between companies or individuals. So in reality they haven't actually broken a law that's been put in place to protect society. They've gone against potentially contractual obligations between themselves, and that could be a reason why the punishment in this aspect is to try and claim up financial damages from the opposing party via a legal challenge. Now within civil law there's such things as like property law, which involves buying a house. You've got trust law, which is all about investments and your finances and things like that. You've got international law, which is again, it's about the different nations having trade agreements, military agreements, all that kind of thing, and like all sorts of different topics fall into all of these, but there are a few very basic ones which hopefully will make you give you a better understanding of that. Now within civil law, again, it's probably not one that you need to go to police with because it's not a crime, but it's definitely worth talking to probably a lawyer or solicitor in your area to get the best knowledge and advice really through the experience that they have in how to deal best with the scenario you're in, because unfortunately not every scenario is the same. There's so many unique different types of situations that could arise that will need assessing on an individual basis by a legal firm. So it's for this reason you should go straight to a solicitor or a lawyer to discuss this with them. So that was a very brief introduction to the different types of law. Hopefully that's helped a little bit with helping to understand the different types of law on a very basic level, and so you should hopefully be aware of exactly which direction you should go if there is a problem that you think that your situation falls into either of them, and hopefully you can get the appropriate legal professional help to help you resolve any of the lawful problems that might occur in your lifetime.